Meanwhile, following the hurricanes in the southeast, some in northeast Wisconsin are putting in their effort to help. Yesterday, students at Spring Road Elementary School donated more than $1,000 for hurricane relief. The kids raised the money through a penny war challenge, and this donation is going to an elementary school in eastern Tennessee with a number of students whose homes were destroyed in the hurricane.
It was fun helping raise the money for that school that got hit by Hurricane Helene.
And we would try to help them every single day.
And we will try our best to help them.
With the help of others in the school district, the donation total was brought to over $1,500.